Today marks the beginning of preparing for my dream internship interview. I have a meeting to possibly secure my dream internship in 3 days, so prepare with me. For those of you who are in college right now, you can probably relate to the experience of trying to get an internship. And unfortunately, unpaid internships are the building blocks of an artistic career. I'm not going to share where this internship is right now because I don't want to jinx it, but I might drop a couple hints of what it is throughout the video. So I've already put a few weeks of work into getting this meeting for this possible internship, and that mostly included talking to my advisor and having him help me reach out to people, write emails, revise my resume. I never knew that a resume could be edited so many times and still need more edits. I'm very excited though. Since this is a meeting to discuss internships, I want to look professional, but it's not an official interview, so I don't want to look too like I'm going to the office. I just really love the layering of this. Option number 1. Obviously, this midriff thing is not going to work, but I really like the layering of this black lace top under this stripy button down. I feel like I might like this more, especially because then it'll tie into these little ballet flats. These shoes are just so perfect, so I really want to find a way to wear these. Not loving this option. Like, the idea was there in my head. Okay, so this was my original outfit idea. I either need like different tights or different shoes. I feel like I could wear these. I just really want to wear this top because I got this at a Kilo shop in Paris and I'm pretty sure it's vintage. And this internship includes a lot of fashion history. So I feel like this top is also very on brand for what the job is. I also changed my hair to this half up, half down, and I feel like that complements this outfit a lot more. Slowly but surely, the look is coming together. I'm gonna try these tights on instead of the black ones. Boom, boom. Kind of wish this shirt was tailored a little bit more, but whatever. And I really want to wear this jacket that I just got when I filmed my last video, the vintage shopping. Like, is this cute? Because I feel like I really like this. This might be over the top for this meeting, but these little lace gloves are like my favorite accessory I own, and I wear them all the time. Here's the vibe. I feel like I should FaceTime my mom and ask her. This is definitely option number 1, and I'm gonna come up with one more. Here's what I have so far for option 2. I've got this sheer top that has lace and a little bow layered over this long sleeve with these really cool sleeves, which, hear me out, this top I feel like is very reminiscent of a dance costume, which also ties into this internship, so I feel like it kind of fits in that sense. I think if I wear this, I'm gonna tie them all into little bows instead of letting them hang like this. If I wear this outfit, I can also wear the little ballet flats. I feel like from far away though, this one's just like very like black and boring. I also need to think about what coat I'm gonna wear because it's freezing outside. Coat option 2 would be my leather jacket. I feel like this looks less professional. I thought this collar was a good idea to tie in the white and the shoes, but I feel like it's kind of just giving clown, especially with the armbands. It's cute, I just don't think it's gonna work for this interview. It is the next day. My meeting is now 2 days away. I haven't fully decided on what outfit I want to wear yet because I feel like the 2 that I tried picking out yesterday are like, neither of them are quite what I want them to be, but I'm now working on my portfolio. This is what I have for the opening page, but I kind of made a mistake and made all the pages this orientation rather than landscape, and you're supposed to do it landscape because if you send this to someone on the computer, it automatically puts 2 pages onto 1, and that's just like a lot going on all at once. I need to go through and flip the pages and reorganize the pictures to fit better. That's what I'm gonna work on now. I think I'm just gonna screen record my computer and play some background music, and it'll just be a little montage of me reordering pictures, kind of like scrapbook style. The meeting is tomorrow, so I'm trying on my outfits one last time. I switched the tights to black ones instead of the nude. I'm not gonna wear the gloves with it, and I think I want to wear my hair in a bun because I feel like the bun looks clean and professional, but also kind of ties into like ballet. I think this is what I'm going to wear, but I'm going to try on my second option just in case and see if I feel differently. Here's the second option one more time. But I'm definitely set on option number one. I'm just gonna have to wear a coat and gloves with it because it's gonna be freezing tomorrow. Now I gotta refine my portfolio a little bit, and that's it. Then I go to the meeting tomorrow. Let's do this. This was the main page that my advisor said needed some editing, just because it's a lot of fabrics and draping, and he was saying how they kind of all blend together and it's just like a little bit too much. So I'm gonna go through and work on that one first. I'm also going to reformat my title page. He also said that usually in a final fashion portfolio, it's a mix of pictures and text because you're usually like sending it out to people over the internet, so you want the text there to kind of explain what the process is and what you're creating and just like give a little bit more context. Since this is an in-person meeting, the text isn't as important, but I think I'm gonna go through and add a little bit of text as well. So I'm gonna do another screen recording, put some nice background music in, and let you guys see kind of how I refine this to be a little more up to professional standards. So I'm home and I'm officially an intern for the Joffrey Ballet costume department. I'm so excited. I got to look at a bunch of the costumes and I got to see the room where they keep a bunch of the point shoes and tights, and I just got a little overview of the whole thing, and I'm just so excited about this. Kind of a funny little tidbit, after all of the work I put into my resume and portfolio, didn't even end up showing them to her, which was not a guarantee. So I kind of knew that there was a possibility it wouldn't be used, but now I have a resume and portfolio ready for the next time I want to apply for something. And even though I didn't end up using my resume or my portfolio because I went over them so many times and knew the main points that I was trying to get across, I was like overly prepared for this meeting. Being over prepared is never a bad idea. Once I get a little bit more comfortable with the team, I am gonna ask if I am allowed to vlog, and I don't know what the answer is gonna be, but if they say yes, you can look forward to some behind the scenes ballet costume department content. I also am about to go back to school, and I'm a fashion design student, so I'm gonna be doing some weekly vlogs and show some of my projects. And so if you're interested in any fashion content, be sure to subscribe, and also go comment something fun in the comments, because that also really helps boost my videos within the algorithm. So if you want to be supportive, comments are always helpful. I'm just so excited. I don't know how many times I have said that I'm excited, but I'm really excited. Bye-bye.